You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, just a quick video here. I've been doing a little carpentry today. Decided not to... Well, I couldn't use... God damn it, there it is. I'm able to use part of that, but I didn't want to use it because it's curved and it's distorted. So I've decided to make all new seat pans. Okay, I've got... Oops. Those pieces. I've cut out these pieces. I've got leftover wood. I'm making the mounting pieces for the seats. Here's that. Making a mess, and then I'll get back to de-rustification of this thing. So, it being probably 1:30, I don't think I'm going to be able to cover these things today. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, so this is the day's work. This and more. I've got more priming on this to do, but these are the pans that came out of the seat. I decided to reuse them. And I realize that there's probably a different way that these things came originally. Here is the seat frame. That's done. That's also in prime. I'll paint that here in a few minutes. Most of my day has been with the wood. Oh, my back is killing me too. So there we go. Cut that stuff out. I've shaped it. I wonder if I had to soak it in wood treatment oil or wood repellent or water repellent or whatever. These are these pieces. I'm mimicking this. Okay. So what you see here is here, as well as the side pieces. These side pieces are those. Okay. These are the pieces that attach to the seat bottom, and this is what holds the this is what will hold the actual seat fabric to the frame. I put a little bit of extra glue in there because I had a piece that came delaminated from this this piece of wood, and once this dries, I'll shape that. This stuff dries pretty rock hard. I'll shape that and just fill in that hole. The actual screw hole that attaches it to the seat is lower, so I'm not worried about any structural instability. And there's some things around here. This piece where my thumb is. See the gap, the wedge, the gap, the space there is this. Same thing. Okay. I took a little bit of dry rot out of this thing. You can see here on the end, it has a slope up, nice and straight, and then about right here it begins to slope up. So I've got a little bit more work to do on this one. I'm going to screw these pieces on here, find the flat spot, and even it out from there. And then put one of these on, as such, and put it all together. I'm actually going to build two, so I'm going to reuse this piece. It's still good. This piece, I suppose I could reuse it, but I just, going to cut out these things here. And I'm filthy, and I've got dust and gunk and junk in my hair, so life is just about as good as it can be. And I'm going to post this and take a shower.